guys, I don't know if you can see me. I'm filming by myself again today. This is Ivory soap, and I was on the internet and I saw this science demonstration, so I wanted to try it with you guys. I'm going to use 1 bar of soap, and I'm going to unwrap it all the way. I'm going to place this bar of soap onto this microwave safe dish. I'm going to put it in the microwave and see what happens. Now, I saw it on the internet and I want to see it in real life. And I want you to know that it has to be Ivory soap according to the internet for this thing to occur. But before I do that, I want to remind you that this is something you would have to do with a grown-up, not with anybody else. With permission, please make sure that it's okay. And also, microwave safe means no metal. And if you're going to do this, you have to have an adult with you. I'm going to put it into the microwave for 90 seconds, and we're going to see what happens. Also, I want you to think about in your head what you think might happen to the soap. What could happen if I put it into the microwave and turned it on for 90 seconds? So here it goes. I'm going to see what goes on. And it's spinning around, my microwave spins around. We know for sure it's going to get hotter because 2 things happen in the microwave. 2 things will happen to my soap. First, I'm heating the soap up, so it'll soften it. And also in Ivory soap especially, you're heating the air and the water that's trapped inside the soap, and it causes the water to vaporize and the air to expand. And the expanding gases push on the softened soap, and it's gonna be really big. That's what I hope. That's what it did for the other people on the internet. When you microwave Ivory, the soap, how it looks changes, but there's no chemical reaction. So this isn't an example of a chemical change, it's just a physical change. It changes how it looks. There's also something called Charles's Law, which states that the volume of a gas increases with its temperature. And so the microwave gives energy to the soap and water and the air molecules, and it causes them to move really fast, and they get further away from each other, and the result is that the soap puffs up really big. So that's what I'm hoping happens, and that we can see it. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to show you. I'm going to pick you up. Hold on. Can you see inside my microwave? There is soap everywhere. I'm going to pull out the dish. It did not stay on the dish right at all. There's still a little bit of soap left in my microwave. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's still kind of warmish, so I don't want to touch it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so weird. It's flaky. Look at that. It just flakes apart. The good news, it's still soap, so it's not gonna, I could still wash with it. I'm gonna stick it into the sink. And you can watch. Huh. It kind of goes back into a hard thing. This is kind of cool, you guys. Now, the internet said you could try it with other soap, but because of the way Ivory's made, they kind of whip a lot of air into it. So Ivory soap does this, whereas other soaps would probably just melt away. And so they would make a different kind of a soap looking thing in your microwave. Oh my gosh. This was fun. I have 2 more bars of soap. I might have to show somebody else when they get home. All right. Just something I thought you might find interesting today. Bye, guys.